How to fix location or GPS not working on your Android device. First of all, head over to your settings. Scroll down and head over to location. Right here, you need to make sure that you have enabled this option. Once it is enabled, you'll be good to go. But if it still doesn't work for you, then what you can do is tap on app location permissions. So these are some of the apps that you have given access to your location. But let's say you want an access to your location on TikTok application. But right here you can see you haven't given permission of location to TikTok application. In this case, what you have to do is scroll down and inside not allowed, search for the application TikTok. Once you find it, head over to it. You need to give permission to this application, so tap on the very first option. Once you have given the permission, you'll be good to go. But if you're still facing the issue, then the only thing you need to do is to make sure that your device is up to date. So this is it for today, and these are some ways to fix your GPS or location not working on your Android device. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.